Hey everyone, welcome back to FixGenie. In this video, I'll show you how to delete photos on your Lenovo laptop. First, open File Explorer. Now go to the folder where your photo is saved, such as the pictures. Click once on the photo you want to delete. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard. The photo will be moved to the recycle bin. To delete several photos at the same time, hold down the Control key and click each photo you want to remove. Once you've selected all the photos, click on this icon. All of the selected photos will be moved to the recycle bin. If you don't want the photos to stay in the recycle bin, select the photo or photos. Then press Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes, and the selected photos will be permanently deleted. And that's how you can delete photos on your Lenovo laptop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to FixGenie, and I'll see you in the next video.